What's up, barbecue addicts? It's me, Kenneth, and it is time for our Thursday weekly episode, our barbecue addiction, our fix for the week, if you will. In today's video, I've got a spatchcock chicken. Shout out to Six Brothers Beef Company for supplying that for this video. This is one of the new products that they carry, and we're going to throw that on Debo, my custom offset smoker, and we're going to smoke that bad boy up, and I'm going to show you how I make some smoked barbecue chicken. So if you haven't already, make sure you hit the subscription button and the bell so you can keep track of this barbecue journey. I think this chicken turned out awesome. Can't wait to show you how it went. Y'all stick around. So we've got our chicken right here from Six Brothers Beef, like I mentioned in the intro. It's already spatchcocked, and it comes in this tray right here. All I did is take the seal off of it, and you can literally apply your binder or your injections or any of that you're doing. But in today's video, we're just going to apply a simple binder and some nice combinations of dry rub to this chicken. We're going to hit it with some Worcestershire sauce for our binder today. Now you could use any kind of mustard you like. You could use Golden Italian. We're going to use Worcestershire, and we're going to get this all over the skin here, just like that. Flip it over and repeat. Get a good amount on here. There we go. That's got a good coverage. Let me go ahead and grab our seasonings and show you what we're working with for that. We're going to be using a combination of Amazin Cajun. We'll go on with that. This is going to put a nice color on our chicken. And you go as heavy or as light as you want with your seasoning. Since we are using two different seasonings, I'm going to go fairly light. So that's good on that side for the Amazin Cajun. And next we're going to use some It's Incredible. All the information for the stuff we use in the video today will be down below in the description box so you can find it easy. Got a nice garlic flavor that'll go good with that Cajun rub. There we go. Debo's getting fired up. We're going to go ahead and let that set. I'll turn this around, we'll season the other side up, and then next time I see y'all, we'll toss it on the smoker. So we got our backyard smoker up to temperature, and we're going to go ahead and get our bird on there. I'm going to go ahead and reapply a little bit of our seasoning since it has been kind of sitting in that Worcestershire sauce and we lost some of our coverage there. I want to make sure that we get this flavor all over our bird before we close the smoker down. Again, this came already spatchcocked, so for y'all competition cookers, that's great. You know, you don't have to worry about that prep time. You can really just put some more thought towards the cook. Or for the backyard cooks, if you don't want to spend that time spatchcocking your chicken, it's already ready. And they also sell it not spatchcocked, so you can get a whole chicken or already prepped. So there we go. Let's shut that down. We're rolling at about 300 degrees, give or take, still rising. I just added another good sized log of hickory to the fire, so I'm going to check on this in about 30 minutes. Alright, barbecue addicts, like I said, we would check on this in 30 minutes. This is what we're looking like. That Amazin Cajun and It's Incredible is putting an awesome color on the skin of our chicken. What we want to do now is see where we are internally. We're not going to be close, but we want to see how we're moving along exactly. So we're going to keep cooking and just let that keep rolling. Like I said, going perfect. We're at around 325 on the smoker, and that's perfect for cooking chicken. So we're going to shut this down, let it roll for about another hour, and then we'll see what we're looking like. Sometimes we need to cover the wing tips with some foil pieces to keep them from charring since they are so small, and same thing with the ends of the drums here, the leg quarters. So I'm going to check on this in an hour and show y'all what it's looking like at that point, and then we'll see what we need to do next. Alright, I told y'all we'd check on it in an hour, and that's where we are now. That's what we're looking like. Let's go ahead and get this grate pulled out. It's smelling great. The color's looking awesome on our chicken from our seasoning, our dry rub, and that Worcestershire binder. Let's go ahead and see what the internal temperature is. And we're still using our Thermapen IR to see what the temperature is. We're shooting for about 165 range. If you overshoot it, that's okay. On a whole chicken that's got so much juices rolling through it, it'll be alright. But 165 in the breast is what we're looking for. Right under 140. And down here on the darker meat, we can go all the way up to 180 or even higher, so, and it usually cooks quicker. We're at 167 down there. Everything's looking awesome. I'm gonna shut this down and we'll let it go, I'd say, for about 20 more minutes. Then I got a special barbecue sauce that we're gonna baste this bad boy with. Later on, after we do a taste test, we're gonna do some chicken salad sandwiches. So we're gonna do smoked chicken with a barbecue sauce for that chicken salad sandwich. So we're gonna shut this down and I'll show y'all what it looks like in 20 minutes. Alright, barbecue addicts, it's time to sauce the spatchcock chicken. It's been rolling around 300 degrees, 325. Y'all saw the skin's looking good, the color's looking good. Now we're gonna be using, like I said, some special barbecue sauce today. And this is Maestros, and this is the butcher sauce. They've got a spicy sauce, a spicy version of this as well. But I figured we use this one since we already got the Amazin Cajun rolling with some spice there. We don't want to get too spicy for our chicken salad. So let's go ahead, get this bottle shook up. We'll have the information down below in the description box for this sauce. And again, for everything that we're using in this video today. It's smelling awesome out here. Let's turn this camera around, get this chicken sauced up and finished up so we can give it a taste. Alright, so it's been about 30 minutes longer. And like I told y'all, we got this sauce ready in our cup here. And we're just going to put a good amount on here so we can get a nice sheen on our chicken. We're getting close to our finished internal temperatures. So right now we're just looking to let this sauce set up and kind of heat up and make itself one with the chicken skin itself there, so it's not so much saucy but just nice sheen to it towards the end. So there we go. That's looking great. Awesome color. Again, if you want to know where to get this spatchcock chicken at, sixbrothersbeef.com, but the information will be down below in the description box. That's what we're looking like, a nice beautiful sheen from the sauce here. And we're going to follow that up with some It's Incredible, since we did add some Amazin Cajun earlier to our cook. That way we don't lose our dry rub flavors. There we go. Not a ton, just a little bit. That's what we're looking like. I'm going to let this go for about 10 or 15 more minutes. We're almost done. Then we're going to pull it, let it rest on the cutting board, then we'll give it a try. So that's exactly how I cook a spatchcock chicken. It's getting dark out here, so I apologize, but the skin is insane. Got a beautiful color on it. The chicken's still juicy. I got a leg quarter and a wing we'll give a try, so let's see what this leg quarter's working with. Wow, talk about some smoked barbecue chicken. That Maestros sauce with that Amazin Cajun and the It's Incredible, that's a perfect combination. I've got the chicken wing, which is probably my favorite. Got a little bit of the flat here. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Again, sorry it's dark, but this skin is perfect, and this taste is amazing. But let's give this flat a try. Right off the bone, that chicken turned out awesome. We cooked the chicken breast to about 170 degrees, and we cooked the leg quarters to about 185 degrees internal. And again, the cooking temperatures for the smoker were around 275 to 350 throughout the entire cook. I appreciate y'all for stopping by North Texas Barbecue Addicts. Again, make sure you subscribe. Check out Six Brothers Beef. We've got a barbecue community discount, which is NTBA10, It'll get you 10% off your total order, and they ship nationwide or deliver locally. So I appreciate y'all for stopping by North Texas Barbecue Addicts. My hands are messy. I got more chicken to eat. Until next time, peace! Y'all keep on barbecuing.